Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to paint the Batman logo. This is the reference I'll be using. I found it on Pinterest. So the first thing you want to do is take your canvas and paint it yellow. Once you're done painting it yellow, wait for it to fully dry and then do a second coat. Once your canvas is completely dry, we're going to take our drawing and transfer it to our canvas. So I'm going to turn my drawing around and then rub pastels on the back of it. Once you're done with that, we're going to place it on top of our canvas and then we're going to tape it down and start tracing. Once you're done tracing, you can remove the piece of paper, and now we're going to paint everything around it black. Now I'm going to go in with an angled brush to clean up the circle. Once you're done with that and it's completely dry, I'm going to take a Posca pen and go over the bat symbol. Now I'm going to go in with a paintbrush and fill it in. While that's drying, I'm going to do a second coat on the background. Now just go over the Batman logo again. Now I'm going to take some yellow paint and clean up the inside of the Batman logo. Once your canvas is completely dry, add your varnish. I'll be using Mod Podge. Once your Mod Podge is completely dry, you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe to support my channel. And until next time, bye!